Good morning, I'm Tracy from Argo Yachting Mallorca. We're here, it's day 2, about to open the doors of the Dusseldorf Boat Show. Yesterday was phenomenal. The amount of interest we had in these boats was fantastic. The stand is incredible, so come and see us today. We'd love to see you. If you haven't got tickets, go online, book them, give us a call, drop by, and we'd love to see you. Anyway, on the show, we've got the 270 performance model GTO with the twin 200 engines. Over here is the wonderful 320 GTO with the 300s. This has got JPO remotes as well. The show debut of the facelifted 320 GTC. We're all familiar with this. This has been upgraded now with nice features, some new table setting, the Florida blue colour, which is new, and new upholstery colours as well. Next to that, we've got the wonderful 400 GTC. We have one in stock at our Neustadt office. Come and have a look at that anytime. Next to that is the wonderful GTO 400. Again, we've got one in the water in Mallorca for you to come and see trial. And then we have the show debut of the wonderful 340 GT walk-around, nominated for European Powerboat of the Year. So that's the boat to come and see. There's so much interest in that yesterday. And over here, this is phenomenal. You've got to come and see this. This is the new configurator. It's the Saxdor AI. It's the most amazing interactive configurator you've ever seen. Come and try it. Anyway, can't wait to see you guys. Enjoy it. The doors are about to open. We're about to get busy. So speak to you soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.